Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about easy digital downloads, file download settings. Okay, this is similar to WooCommerce settings. There are two types of methods here: force and redirect. Default is force, and I suggest you leave the default download method. Okay, and if you are familiar, okay, you can choose whatever you want, but if you're not familiar with these methods, leave the default. It's okay, no problem. As they mentioned here, all methods work on all servers. Due to inconsistency multiple platforms and better file protection, force is the default method. Yeah, that's why I said the force is the base, even in WooCommerce too. This is the best and most secure method. Easy digital download use PHP to process a file with the force method. Larger files can be cause problems with delivery, resulting in hitting the max execution time on the server. If users are getting 4040 error and trying to access their process file when using the force method, changing the redirect method can resolve this problem. Yeah. But if your file size is larger, maybe 0.5 GB or 500 megapixel and more, larger file size, then redirect method is recommended. But if the file size is small, then force is the best. I think hardly you'll most of your digital products will not exceed more than 500 MB. I don't know if you are selling large file size software, digital product, or PDF file. PDF file size larger than 100 MB is not a good PDF file nowadays. Even if it has more than 1000 pages, PDF can be highly optimized and reduce the file size. So force is the best method. File download limit, you can limit the number of downloads for each account users processes, but I don't think it is necessary. But download link expiration, you should set it. If the download link is not expire, then they can access your file using that link even they have downloaded before. So this is not a good practice. This leaves behind a loophole to be exploited. So download link expiration should be set according to the file size. Is your file size 10 MB, then it can be downloaded within 2 minutes, even if the internet speed of that user or customer is very slow. So minimum internet speed nowadays is everywhere, in anywhere that is 1 megapixel, 1 Mbps. Anywhere in the world, even in the slowest part of the world, in this 4G internet network time, 1 Mbps is the smallest minimum speed. So you can set according to your target customer area. Is your target customer area internet service is very well developed or lag behind? If it is well developed, then you can reduce the link expiration date to the minimum. For example, if it is 10 MB, you can set, for example, in time in hours. So you can in the decimal 0.1, something like that. You can so you can reduce the expiration date to the minimum, so that a link can be expired just after the download. This is good to avoid security loopholes. When a customer receives a link to their downloads via email in their receipt or in their process history, the link will only be valid for the time frame in hours defined in this setting. Sending a new process receipt or visiting account page will originate a valid link for the customer. Okay, 1 hour is okay. if you're sending the link with through via email or SMS, okay, 1 hour maximum 1 hour is okay. But if the file size is huge, it takes time to download, then yeah, if it is file size is larger than 500 MB or more, it may take time to download in your browser itself without any download manager software. So you can increase the link expiration time. But yeah, for the small size files like themes, plugins, or templates and the likes, PDF, ebooks, 1 hour expiration you can set it. If they want to download, you can log into your Easy Digital Downloads My Account page and they can download it from the process history. That's okay. So link expiration should be very concerned to avoid any security loopholes. Disable redownloads, yeah, that's not necessary. Check if you do not want to allow users to redownload items from their process history. That's not necessary. You're selling them your product. If you do not allow them to download again, what's the point? You'll get complaints from your customers. So this option is not recommended. One thing you have to be aware of: small size force is best. If the file size is large, redirect is okay, and you have to set download link expiration date in calculation of the internet speed of your customer and file size of your product. Yeah, thanks for watching again. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like the thumbs up button. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, thoughts, video requests, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.